asked to add. You know, this element is the same as this element, right? The second one is the second. So you just say 2 plus 4, 1 plus 0, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 5. Very easy peasy. Then you have 6, 1, 4, 9, right? That's how you add. They ask you to subtract, you do the same thing, right? Just subtract each element, how it follows. Because this your element here is called your AI1. Always write IJ, like just to denote it. So it's always the same as the other ones. You do anything you want to do with the same element, right? Then when you're multiplying, I remember telling you that the difference between addition, let's say you have 2, 1, 3, 4, then you multiply by 4, 0, 1, 5, right? We said it's row by column. Do you remember this one now? Row by. So when you want to multiply, you say 2 times 4. 1 times 1. You do again. You are done with this one, you move to the next one. 3 times 0. 4 times 5. Right? Did you write it down? Okay, you write it down.
So when you call, you have to just focus
on the examples, right? So that's the problem now. No problem. I'm sure when I write it for you, you're going to get it. Yeah. So transpose. Do you remember transposition? Changing your row to column. So they say you are taking this and you are asked to transpose it. You have this to become the column. The column. That's just all. It's 3 by 3, you do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you just write it. The row becomes your column, the row becomes your row. That's what transpose means. Hi, Karishna. Hello. Okay, so transpose the following matrix. Let's see. I hope you can see me. You're not seeing me, yeah? Let's see. Let's put it this way. Hi, Owen. I just wanted to show you a day in the life, right? On some days, what I do. Hi, Santosh. Oh, what language is that, Karishna? I can't read that. I can't translate that. So, just wanted to show you what I do on some days. Take you along to work with me, right? So, one of my jobs, actually. So we have, I went to tell me what matrix is this. So we're teaching linear algebra. Ariane, I think I've seen that name before. I'm Rose from Nigeria. Hi, Daniel. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yes, I'm an educator, a tutor, curriculum developer, however you want to call it. I lecture tertiary institution students. Karishna, you're bugging us. So this is the School of Mathematics Nigeria, where we teach Kerala. Hi, I'm Rose. Do I support Israel? I don't know. We do math around here. So we're taking linear algebra. We're on matrices, transposition, adjoint, determinants, different methods in solving systems of linear equations. you know, substitution method, matrix method, elimination, all of that. That's what we're doing. Hi. Okay, so where were you at? Right? If you have any questions, so far so good, so that you just ask. If you have any questions. Oh, you're fine. You're okay, yeah?
Yeah.
Please, you have to show the others. So I don't have my, yes, we teach math around here. This is the School of Mathematics Nigeria. Why am I up close in your faces? So I don't have my tripod here. That's why you are not close enough to see what I'm doing. But I'm just giving them their assessments. We had the full class yesterday. Metrics, Suraj, hi, Param. I'm seeing more of Indians today again. YouTube, why do you push my stuff to the Indians? Okay, hi. So these are the kind of questions that you should expect to see. Right? So you should try to get used to them. So you remember substitution method from yesterday, right? We have the different methods: substitution method, elimination method, matrix method. We also have graphical method, but we're focusing on substitution, right? Elimination and matrix method. We'll soon be doing less than 5 minutes to go. So you know that you'll be seeing all of this in your uni when you get to like proper, maybe you want to further. Would you like to further?
Yes, excellent.
So you would expect to see this thing. So don't think you're just learning it for no. When you go, you now become like, oh, this guy knows it better than us. So try to like know it more, learn it more. Right? Yes, I teach maths. Hi, Jahan. Yeah. Hello. We have Musa, we have Hamza. We stop here. I think we can stop here for now. We should do elimination method. So next time we'll do vector. So for those who are just joining, hello, oh, 55 people, nice, hi, I'm fine, SKC, hi Tiffany, hi, hey. So I said we're taking linear algebra, but we're almost done. I'm just writing out their assessment, right, so that they can further understand. The more they solve, the more they understand, right? I'm Rose Danjuma from Nigeria, okay? Thank you, SKC, thank you. So spontaneously, whenever I'm working, whenever I'm getting something done, I like to let you guys in on what I do sometimes, aside coming on YouTube to just solve math. These are some of the day-to-day activities that we do. I take tertiary students, calculus, linear algebra, real analysis. Hi Mara, hi Angie. Okay, right now, the time here is 11 a.m. Yes, for your next class, right? So that you can, for your next class, right? Then please, if you see the 200 level students, please. If not, I will go. Just take that white nylon with you. You guys can just let me see. Sorry, I'll be back. Yes, you have a class right now, right? No, you see on people yesterday. No, I just left everyone. Thank you. Thank you. So when you're asked, you know your 2 by 3, you know your 2 by 3, 3 by 3. Is it too much? Children, not children's. No, I take tertiary students, not secondary school students. Take note. These are students in the higher education. No, I wouldn't show my students because I'm trying to like protect them. I wouldn't want them to, except they would want to come show their face though. But I try not to allow others show for privacy. Thank you. That's so kind, Karthik. Thank you. I teach in Nigeria. Yangi. This is not even their class. This is me giving them my own time, right? This is not the normal lecture class. No, I'm just writing out their assessment. So I forgot to give them their assessment yesterday after teaching. I want to be able to see if they understand what we learned yesterday. So I just asked them to come write out their assessment and go back. So this is not lecture time. No, of course you need full attention in class when you are teaching, but this is just me trying to recap and see if they understood. While I write their assessment, I ask them, oh, okay, do you remember what we did yesterday? And their assessment. No, I don't teach English, I teach maths. Thank you. All right, so you guys can already, so you can move your next one. Then please call me if you see them, please. Because it's their time already. It's exactly like your addition. The same thing, each element, where their position is just of carrying. Very straightforward.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. What's your own name?
Nathaniel.
Nathaniel, thank you.
Thank you.
Take care. No.
What?
Yes, the white nylon. You can have it. Take care. Thanks. Bye. I don't have a child. I don't have children yet. I don't have none of that yet. You can be my student, Kartik, if you subscribe to the channel. Of course, you can be one of us. Okay, right now I'm taking linear algebra, where you have metrics, you have vector. Yeah, I'm taking 300 level students. In Nigeria, we call them 300 level students. They are in their 3rd year, right? So I'm taking them linear algebra. From Nigeria, I've said that again and again for those who are just joining. Hi, Abhishek. I don't know, YouTube takes my live videos to Indians. I keep saying Indians, and no offense, I don't mind. I love you guys too, but well, some of you can be pushy. Mathematics for the 100th time. Yangi, I teach mathematics. Linear algebra is a topic or a course when you are taking courses in schools. Linear algebra is, of course, you know, Indians are very good at maths too, so I don't need to explain that, right? Hi, Ali. Thank you. So I'm done with them. I'm waiting for 200 level students. Those are year 2 students, right? Sometimes I forget that we don't use the same terms in different places. So I'm waiting for them. If they're not able to come, You love Nigeria. Oh no, that's not the spelling. Nigeria is Nigeria. Nigeria. Thank you. We love Indians too. AC, I don't know what that is. I don't know what that language is. I've been having fun coming on live recently. We spent 15 minutes already and I feel like I need to go. No, it's not my real hair. You keep talking about my hair, cat ick. It's not my real hair. It's extensions. You see my real hair here? This one. So you see how short. So we do this thing called sewing, right? So we sew in extensions and then it looks like it's our real hair. Oh, Komani. Oh, I get it. Okay. Oh, I get it. Asha. Hi. Ganesh. Pancha. Hi, everybody. I'm hoping I'm able to reach them. Still waiting. It's time already, but I can't reach any of them. I wanted you to, like I said, like I mentioned earlier, I wanted you to come spend the day with me. It's spontaneous. Whenever I do the come spend the day with me, I just decide, oh, you could see my lifestyle outside of YouTube, right? So I could remove pan gaj. That's my problem. That's why I don't really want Indians on my life. It's like, why are you saying that on my life? Don't say that. This is a school channel. This is a math channel for educating. We educate students, right? So we don't want none of that. For those who are just joining again, my name is Rose Danjuma from Nigeria. This is the School of Mathematics. If you are not already subscribed, I forgot to mention, please subscribe, right? Thank you very much for apologizing. Please subscribe and do watch our videos. I'm sure you'd enjoy it here. I'm going to remove Ajay Kumar. You guys will not cause me to stop making live videos because you do too much. I'll get that from anyone, Komani, but funny enough, based on statistics, using my live videos, I get all of this from Indians. Others have not tried this, just Indians. Do you see why I mention Indians? So please don't say nothing that is not in line with, even I think YouTube guidelines. You should be careful and be respectful, or maybe should I say be not so professional, but be what's the word? Just be respectful. Come on, I would not ignore. Some people do not know. So good thing he apologized, right? Some people do not know that, oh, what they are doing is wrong. You have to let them know. So I wouldn't ignore. It's my life. I wouldn't ignore. You're talking super. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, so I take maths, like I always say. You guys are weird. Some of you are really weird. So if I don't, we have 60 people on the live already. Thank you so much. Like I mentioned, if you're not already subscribed, please do subscribe to our channel. We also have other platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter. We're on Trends, LinkedIn, any platform you can think of, really. Hi Maud, hi Yangi. Oh, I'm not reading your comments. I wouldn't read your comments if I see that you had mentioned something I don't like. But really, I don't think you've done that. So hi, I'm reading your comment now. Hello, I'm from Nigeria. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you, love from India. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's all School of Mathematics Nigeria on all platforms, right? So if you're finding us in other platforms, let us know. I just finished writing the assessments for my students in 300 level. I take them linear algebra. We talk about metrics. We talk about vectors, and we know that metrics is just the rows and columns, right? You are given a table and you want to represent that table as a matrix, right? That's just basically what metrics is about. We have different methods, because now that I'm trying to like do things outside maths, some of you are really distracting. Yes, we take private online lessons. If you're interested, like I said, we have other platforms, so you can join us there, so you can send a DM. I don't think they have DM features on YouTube yet, So you can just follow us on. No, this is how the dress is. Let me show you. Who is saying that? Shivash. Look, this is how the dress is. So I don't need to adjust it. It's a off-shoulder dress. That's what it's called. Do you see? In case you didn't know, that's how we sew it sometimes in Nigeria. So it's called an off-shoulder dress, right? And then we have fringes on the side. That's how the dress is. So just so you didn't know. So yes, we take private online lessons. If you want that, you can just send us a message. Thank you. I try my best to be jolly. Thank you. Even though I'm pretty much stressed. I'm very stressed. I do not like traveling. So yesterday I was really stressed from being on the road. Yeah. But I feel a lot better. At least I slept a bit. I feel better. The basics of trigonometry. Let me tell you the truth, yeah? You know, math is a broad... yes, I will try to meditate. Thank you so much for that. Amu, hi. Oh, you love the Nigerian footballer Victor Osimhen. I keep seeing him everywhere. I think I know the face. Thank you so much. What are you saying? You think Iran is the best? I don't know. Can I send you a message, please? I mentioned already, if you want to send a message, you can send a message to us via Instagram, TikTok. Yes, you can send a message to us there. School of Mathematics Nigeria, all social media platforms. So just do well to send a message there. So we're talking about the methods that we have when trying to solve systems of linear equations, right? You could use a substitution method, the ones we learned from secondary school, elimination method, even graphical method. But for linear algebra, we learn sorry, I want to answer Shiva's question. Is there any formal mode of communication with you? Of course, I already mentioned. You can also send an email. You know what? Just go to any one of our videos here on YouTube, yeah? In the description box, you would see all of our links to other platforms, right? Also, the email is there, yes, if I remember clearly. So please, some Nigeria, is there a place I can write? Okay, let me see if I can write. Okay, I can't just put a text, no. This is my third time, right? Or fourth time coming. It's my third time coming live on YouTube. So the more I do it, I'll get a hang of it. So if I see where I can just put in the comments, I don't know if I can, but if I can, I'll just write the email. So it's SOM, SOMNIGER at ia@gmail.com. SOMNIGERIA@gmail.com. That's somenigeria@gmail.com. So any formal communication, you can send an email, really. Let me see the other one. Hi, Tufani. Yes, I do take calculus, integral calculus. We'll get to that soon. Matrices, yes, that's what we're taking now. So we have different methods, right? Like we were saying before, we have the matrix way of solving systems of linear equations. Then under matrix itself, we have different methods. We have the inverse, right? We have Gaussian. What's the other one that I'm forgetting now? We have different methods under matrix method. Row reduction. Hey, Shank. Integration and permutation. Okay. But do you want to chat? It's interesting discussing rather than taking lessons. Do you want to charge? Okay, just send the email so I know what you're talking about, right? Oh, I see that I can report or remove. Oh, perfect. So to those who stress me, right? I can report or remove your comment. I'm glad I saw that now. Okay, Kushal, I'm going to report your comment now. Because really, I keep telling you guys, this is education channel. Like, you should be very respectful. Thank you. I can't pronounce that. I'm from Nigeria. I can't read that. Hi Ash. All right, so we've spent 25 minutes. So once it's 30 minutes in, I think that'll be it. We'll go. I can't find my students. I think they're in another class. Number switched off, so I'll just go and get other things done because I have so much to get done. Hi, Mom Raj. I'm fine, thank you. How are you doing too? Thank you. That's some polite way. Okay, I hope the other person is learning. I already reported this comment. From Nigeria, Arabic. I teach maths. Ramanujan. Is that an artist in India? No idea, but maybe I'll try to. Okay, so I like this question. What grades do I teach? Right now, I just finished with 300 level students, third year students who are in the tertiary institution, right? I take 200 level, I take 300, I take 100 level, right? I can also take younger ones, like grade, let's say from age 13. Yes, age 13 above. I don't really do younger ones because virtually it can be very stressful, trying to get their attention, trying to be sure that they understand. I like one-on-ones. I'm with you and I know, I can tell from your body language that you're not getting me. I don't know how to explain it better than that. So yeah, I'm from Nigeria, Mom Raj. You call me a genius. Thank you, Savage. Thank you, I appreciate that. Yes, I do teach pre-calculus. I do. Oh, in Nigeria, it's currently 11:17 a.m. Oh, Ramanujan. Now that you mentioned, it sounds familiar, right? I think I should go read on him. Let me screenshot that. Thank you very much for mentioning. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm grateful. Okay, so less than 3 minutes left. So quit what? I'm still trying to get what you mean, Tony. Tony, what do you mean? Let me know, please. What should I quit? We don't quit around here, though. Side note, we don't quit around here. We could just let something be for a while, try to understand it better, but we don't quit around here. I'll contact you for learning and teaching. Sure, just send me an email, it's fine. Thank you for Elba. Okay, for those who are just joining, I'm seeing somebody asking what is my occupation. I'm a curriculum developer. I'm an educator, especially when it comes to math education. What else? I consult with firms that do innovation, that talk tech, and also leadership, right? Especially for young professionals. Nice to meet you too, Amo. Partial differential equation solving methods. Sure. Oh, why did you delete that? Oh, I decided to make a live because I think you're just joining. I was actually giving my students assessments from yesterday's class. So I just thought it's spontaneous, really. It's not something deep. Sometimes when I come to work, I do different kinds of work, but all in line with, development. So when I come to work, I just let people in on other things aside just solving on the board. This channel is known for us to always so I want to be able to communicate. But I know some of you here are not my subscribers, so you can kindly subscribe, join the family, and you'll definitely enjoy being here. That's why I chose to go live. I see. So it's just spontaneous. My students left already. You just came. They wrote out their assessment and left already. I'm waiting for the next level. That's the 200 level, but I've not heard from them. Numbers switched off. They're probably in another class because they usually sit out around here, but we can't even find them. Do you know the quadratic formula? Yes, one of my favorite topics. I want to teach math someday, though I'm stuck in hell studying. You're not stuck. You're not stuck. Trust me. I love your name. It doesn't matter anymore. I thought I was reading out something. I didn't know it was your name. Trust me, you're not stuck. Okay. You just need consistency. You need the right person to put you through. Really. Too funny. You want to know my salary? I wish you would offer me a high-paying job. I wouldn't say no to it. Really. Of course, I can't put out my salary here. Oh, it's past 30 minutes already, so I'm going to be ending the live soon. Okay. It's nice catching up with you guys, but let me just read the few other comments. What keeps you being a maths teacher? Yeah, maths teachers have more transferable skills for other jobs. Yeah, sure. So I'm not a math teacher because I don't teach with a secondary school or primary school. Like I don't, work with schools on that level when you say math teacher, right? But yes, primarily we're teachers, whether you're a lecturer, whether you're an educator, whatever, you are a teacher primarily, right? So, but I'm telling you that formally, I don't teach in a school, right? Like a secondary school, primary school. I take tertiary students, tertiary institutions. What was I going to say again? And yes, we have transferable skills, especially being analysts, problem solving, critical thinking. If you can program, good for you, right? We're able to teach, simplify things, like break things down. I can't really say about communication because sometimes we struggle with speaking fluently because all our lives we've been doing math. What other transferable skills? If I really settle down, I would remember some. But yes, I just listed some. I am good at multiple subjects too. Nice, Shivash. Your fee for online teaching. Too funny. I really wish I know where to type out an email or something. But when you go to one of our videos, you see our other channels. You can just send a DM there. My hair is flying, so let me adjust it. You can just send us a DM there or send us an email, somnigeria@gmail.com. 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 Love from India. Thank you, Amu. Teach me integration and permutation. Send an email. It's fine. Okay, so I think I'll have to go. Don't you teachers have formal wear for work? No offense, but I am cute. No. OMG, how do I explain over and over again? Okay, for those who don't know, I'm from the northern part of Nigeria, and we're formerly known to wear, this is called Ankara in Nigeria. This is a material, right? How do I explain it so well? This is called Ankara, actually. This is a lace, right? So in northern Nigeria, where you have languages like Hausa and all of that, you get to wear this, right? It's like one of the popular wear that you can wear in the north, yeah. So we don't really do the suit. It's not really a thing, yeah. So, and because I teach tertiary institution, you're free to, but just make sure you are decent, right? This is first YouTube live session. No, this is like my third or fourth. My name is Rose Danjuma from Nigeria. All right, so I think we have to go now. Thank you guys. I think the more we stay, the more people want to join in. But thank you so much for joining my live today. Thank you. I appreciate you. I'll see you guys in the next one. Please subscribe if you haven't. Hi Visha, you're just coming in. So I would have to go now. My students are not here, so I have to just go and get other things done. So I'll see you in the next live. Do have a beautiful day wherever you're watching from, especially the Indians, because you guys are always the ones here. My name is Rose, 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 and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.